I have inspected this Audi RS4 Nogaro edition. It's 2015 registration year, right? So it's 4.2 liter naturally aspirated engine. Obviously, during the inspection and overall observation, vehicle is in excellent condition, literally excellent condition for 11 years. No fault codes, everything underside dry. There's no corrosion, new tires, new brakes, suspension solid, engine sounds great. Going for the road test, so satisfied. It's £30,000 bought on an auction, so it's just an inspection before collection. So as I coming back from the road test, right, I can hear like something like clicking inside an idle speed, which is not right. So I went back, had a look under the bonnet, and it sounded like initially like a evap, a purge valve, like it's sort of, so it's clicking like. But opening bonnet, observing everything around engine bay, the noise is not from there. It's coming from underside. So I put my plastic rams back up, drove the vehicle back up, observing underside, and it feels like the engine, the ticking knock, very that ticking noise coming between engine and gearbox. So something more likely on the chain area. So oil pump, chain tensioner, some solenoids clicking. It just sounds like an expensive job to me. So it needs further investigation. So as you can see, something really nice could turn out to be nasty. And these certain issues are not obvious. You will never pick it up, never. This sort of issue, more likely, the customer would only pick up in 1 or 3 months when he will be driving around, when excitement fades away from the car, right? Because the car is literally looks really good. But reality, you rather know now than later. Take care.